Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.
You don't need expensive software to trade like a pro. Here are 5 Forex tools that every trader must use. You need these 5 trading tools for you to explore Forex like a pro. Top 5 free Forex tools every trader should use for free. Now, I will be going through them and I will put you through them. Now, the first tool is a Forex Factory Calendar. The Forex Factory Calendar. Use it to track news. You use it to track events. You use it to avoid trading during high impact volatility. Now, the forexfactory.com help us to know when news will be released and also the kind of news. Is it going to be a high impact news or a mid impact news or a low impact news? Now, you are going to see all of these in Forex Factory. Going to see all of this in Forex Factory. And the second tool that you are supposed to know how to use is the TradingView. You can download this on your Google Play Store, on your iOS, or you can use the website. Now, this is actually an amazing technical analysis that helps to analyze chart setup. Now, we have the free version, which works great for beginners. You can use that in order for you to analyze the market with it. You can use it to analyze the market. Very good for technical analysis and chart setup. The TradingView is very good. It has plain chart. It's very good. So you can have that tool for free. The next tool, which is the number 3 tool, is MyFXBook. Now, MyFXBook helps to analyze your trading performance and track win rate. Now, this also helps to analyze market sentiment and trend. So, if you want easiness in your trading, you should get used to MyFXBook. It's a website. MyFXBook is a website. Now, it helps a lot. It helps a lot, especially to tell you the sentiment of the market per time, per season. The next tool that you need to know, number 4 tool, is the position size calculator. Ensure you never reach more than 2% of your trade, of your capital per trade. Don't lose 2% of your capital in one trade. So this position size calculator will help you to calculate the positions you can enter with your equity. Like, for example, you're having $100, it will suggest to you the amount of position you can enter with $100 and even the lot size you are to use. And the last tool is the MT4 or MT5 Strategy Tester. Now, this is perfect for backtesting and improving your strategy. This is perfect for backtesting and improving your strategy. The MT4 Strategy Tester. Now, you can download it and test your strategy. In fact, I'll do a special video on how you can use the MT4 Strategy Tester, because it is a powerful tool. It's a powerful tool that every trader, you want to stay long in the trading career, in your trading career, you must have this tool, because it's a tool that will help you so well. Now, when you combine all 5 of these tools, you are going to have a complete forex trading system, and all of these are 100% for free. All of these are 100% for free. Don't forget, this is the top 5 free forex tool every trader should use. If this video helped you, kindly like, share, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video like this. Don't forget, I'm Mr. Joshua and I help traders trade the smart way. See you in the next video.